What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and your next viral content is a simple prompt? What if you never had to struggle with your ideas again? What if you had 24/7 content assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and always delivers? And what if I show you how to use it to timestamp your creativity, boost your engagement, and even make money? Because what I'm about to show you is not just another tool. It's not just another trend. It's a game changer for me. It's a creativity partner. It's a monetization machine. And it is called ChatGPT. If you're a content creator, a coach, a YouTuber, a TikToker, digital marketer, or online entrepreneur, I know you must have heard about ChatGPT, but this video will change everything you know about ChatGPT and how you view it. Because today I'm going to hand you over the blueprint to unlock unlimited content ideas, to speed up your execution, and to build deeper connection with your audience using just your keyboard and a little bit of strategy.
So if you're ready to save time, stop guessing, and start creating content that connects and converts, then grab your notebook. Stay locked in. Let's dive into the power of ChatGPT. Simply put, ChatGPT is a tool powered by artificial intelligence that helps you generate ideas, write scripts, create captions, and even brainstorm your content calendar, all in a matter of minutes. Now you may be asking yourself, what kind of content can ChatGPT help me with? Whether you're a TikToker, YouTube creator trying to write a viral content, an Instagram influencer looking for captions that grab attention, or a business owner needing content to market your products, ChatGPT can do it all. For example, let me show you. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for 5 content ideas for a skincare brand targeting women with sensitive skin. Watch how fast it generates these ideas. Just like that, ChatGPT gave me 5 content ideas in seconds. And these aren't random generic ideas. They are hyper relevant, targeted, and on point for my audience. Imagine being able to generate content like this on demand. That is the power of ChatGPT. You see, the beauty of ChatGPT isn't just about speed. It's about quality and customization. It helps you build out content ideas that are specific to your niche, audience, and goals. So if you're stuck in the cycle of what should I post today, or what should I talk about next, well, ChatGPT will give you the answers and even more. Let me show you how I use ChatGPT to create my content calendar. First, I ask it to help me brainstorm topics for a week of posts. Then, I take those ideas and ask for variations, subheadings, and even captions. And boom, my content for the entire week is ready. It's that simple, and not just for content ideas. ChatGPT can help you with writing your scripts, whether for a 2-minute TikTok video or for 10 minutes YouTube video, creating captivating captions, or even planning out your entire series of content. This is your all-in-one content creation powerhouse. Now, let me show you the real source. You want to stay consistent, save time, and never run out of content again? Let me show you how to use ChatGPT to create 30 days content calendar in just a minute. Step 1, tell ChatGPT who you are and what you do. Here is the prompt. Let's do it together. Act as a content strategist. Create a 30-day content calendar for a personal brand coach who help creators grow their audience and monetize their content. Mix YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok content. Include content types, themes, captions, and call to action ideas. You have to be very specific. Include your niche, platform, audience, and content goals. This will help you to get a more unique feedback from ChatGPT. The second step is review and refine the calendar. When you've succeeded in generating this table, this calendar, you have to review and refine the calendar to make sure it meets up with your expectations. Step 3, ask ChatGPT to create you a batch of captions and hooks. And here is a prompt example. Write high converting captions and viral hooks for each post in the calendar. Guys, boom, you're not just planning, you're badging. And this saves you hours. Step 4, which is the bonus, request a repurposing plan. From all the ideas, you can generate many contents. And here is the prompt. Repurpose this content calendar into 1 blog per week or 1 email per week. Suddenly, 1 idea becomes 5 pieces of content. And that's maximum efficiency, guys. Content planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right prompts, ChatGPT becomes your strategist, your planner, and your assistant all in one. Try it today and let me know in the comments which platform you're planning for next. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you if you find this particular video helpful. Love you and have a beautiful day. Bye.